This is the car that put the world on wheels. A simple, rugged, noisy little machine that quietly sparked the biggest transportation revolution in history. It's named the Ford Model T. Imagine a time when owning a car was a luxury, something only the ultra-rich could afford. Horses ruled the roads, and long-distance travel was slow, expensive, and exhausting. Then, one man came along with a crazy dream. What if everyone could afford a car? Not just the elite but factory workers, farmers, teachers, and everyday families. That man was Henry Ford. And his answer to that dream was the Model T, launched in 1908. But this wasn't just another car. It was a symbol of change, of progress, and of power in the hands of ordinary people. At the time, building a car took over 12 hours. But Ford wasn't satisfied. He invented a moving assembly line, a bold idea that changed everything. Instead of workers going to the car came to the workers. Each person had one simple task, repeated with precision. As a result, the production time dropped from 12 hours to just 90 minutes. The Model T wasn't just revolutionary, it was now affordable. Priced initially at $825, and later as low as $260, the Model T became the first car millions of people could actually buy. It was tough, too, designed to handle America's rough dirt roads, deep mud, and harsh weather. It had a 2.9-liter, four-cylinder engine producing 20 horsepower, and it could reach up to 45 miles per hour, which felt incredibly fast for the time. But it wasn't about speed. It was about freedom. For the first time, a farmer in a remote village could drive to the city. Families could travel together. Goods could be moved faster. People were no longer stuck where they were born. The Model T opened up the world. It was nicknamed the Tin Lizzie, a term of endearment that captured its charm. It wasn't glamorous, but it was dependable. And that dependability is what won hearts. From 1908 to 1927, Ford sold over 15 million of them. It held the record for the most produced car for nearly 50 years. But here's what most people don't realize: the Model T didn't just change cars. It changed how we live. It created new jobs, gave rise to roadside diners, motels, gas stations, and even highways. It transformed economies. It connected towns. It shrank nations. Today, the Model T may look like an antique. No air conditioning. No power steering. No radio. And definitely no touch screen. But beneath that old steel body lies something timeless: vision. Courage. The will to build something for the many, not just the few. Every time you get into your car, remember this: it all began with this simple machine, the Model T, the car that didn't just take people places, it took the world forward. If you enjoyed this journey into the past, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon, because the next story we share might just drive straight into your heart.